Hi, I'm Ashley. Welcome to my channel. Crafting has been such a meaningful and creative outlet for me, and I hope sharing what I make encourages you to slow down, create, and enjoy the process with me. Today I'm creating an easy Valentine centerpiece using Dollar Tree items. It's simple to make, budget-friendly, and makes a big impact. We'll be using Dollar Tree products, including 2 Christmas trees, 2 sets of string lights, table scatter, florals that fit your style, and your favorite candle with a candlestick. I'm using 2 trees and I'm opening them up so that one side is flat, then spreading the branches out evenly. I'll secure the 2 trees together with a zip tie. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm making this on a beveled glass tray. More on that later. Next, I'm placing a glass candlestick between 2 trees and attaching it with a wire or a pipe cleaner. If you don't have a candlestick, you can just use something like a small box or even an upside-down bowl, anything that will give you the right height. I like to reuse my candle jars after they burn down by refilling them with Dollar Tree candles, and their color selection has actually gotten a lot better. Next, I'm adding in some random greenery from my stash. You can also use any filler florals that you have on hand, whatever helps to fill it in a bit. I try not to cut my stems down, so you'll see me folding the wire to shorten them instead. I'm not worried about the back of this because it will be in the entrance hall on a table that no one ever touches, but you definitely want to get both sides covered if yours can be seen from all sides. Just keep messing with it until you like it. It definitely needed some volume, and these lighter greens add more dimension to that dark green base we're working on. I'm going to pull the wires apart and slide them over the branches so they're a little bit more secure. We are about to fill this with a lot of florals, and it never hurts to reinforce by combining it with the wired stems on the tree. I went shopping in my stash and found some florals I like. I tried to pick some with a Valentine's Day vibe. Do you see those white roses? I am just going to pop the heads right off the stems and place them where I want them. I used these in a bouquet style arrangement with 2 other picks for some decor later in the spring, and I don't want to cut them up. I'm sure you'll see that craft a little later on. In a centerpiece like this, I place my florals in equal distance from the center to keep everything balanced. Think of it like a freshly trimmed round shrub. Notice the glass underneath. This is how I get away with using no glue or styrofoam to anchor the florals. I change my decor often, so by skipping the glue my supplies stay in better condition and can be reused in whatever I create next. If this is going on a table you don't use daily, there's no need for a tray. Just build it directly on the surface. I also keep any beveled edge glass that I come across. I have 3 great pieces, and they really are some of the most useful tools in my craft room. I use them as trays, craft mats, and even as glass palettes for painting. They're super smooth, work beautifully with acrylics and oils, and clean up easy with a little rubbing alcohol. Of course, feel free to use glue or any other method you prefer for your arrangement. This is just another option if you'd like to reuse your florals later on. I cleared off the table so you can see what we're doing a little bit better. We're going to add some glittering table scatter that I found at Dollar Tree to the centerpiece and sprinkle a bit around the table as well. I'm not usually a messy decor kind of girl, but I think this looks really cute styled this way. You can place the larger hearts on a skewer or a piece of wire if you would like them to have a little bit more movement. There are so many ways to go. You can totally skip this step if you want. I didn't use a filler flower, so I decided to fill in the space with table scatter because 1, it's cheaper, and 2, I love how the glitter sparkles in the warm string lights. You could add a string of beads, an old necklace. There are so many options. Just have fun with it. And here it is. Fast, easy, and so dramatic with those rich reds. It's perfect for any time of year when you want to bring in a bold pop of color. Let me know what you think and what you would have done to yours. Thank you for crafting along with me, and I'll see you in the next one.